You can handle it. You got this. Let's go through it and knock this out. We have process costing. This is a method of allocating production costs to products and services by averaging the total cost over the total units produced. Here, costs are aggregated based on department rather than by job. So based on department, because we are, let's say, Walmart, we're mass producing items, right? We're mass producing chairs, mass producing TVs, mass producing fishing equipment, mass producing Xboxes. Well, I guess we don't produce the Xboxes, but rather than by job. So we have the electronics department, we have the clothing department, mass producing t-shirts and shoes. These are used by companies in industries which produce homogeneous products and services, right? Just products and services that are all the same, right? Also services as well, cost services. So Walmart, right? They've got services. Costco's got services they offer when you go in there. And if those are all the same, right? It could be also, let's say, a car wash is a service. It's the same overall. Yeah, so maybe you get the super fancy car wash where they clean everything in your entire car, then they actually, they put gel in your hair and shower you in addition to the car. But generally speaking, yeah, a car wash is a car wash. So examples: beverages, clothing, most items at Walmart, anything mass produced. As I mentioned, you just need to know this as a concept. Nothing particularly tricky for math-based questions. Just know what process costing is, that it's used for these mass-produced same products and services.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.